Welcome to our video on the top 5 best electric bikes of 2025. Ready to revolutionize the way you commute? These electric bikes offer unbeatable performance, sleek designs, and advanced features like powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and smooth rides across any terrain. Whether you're tackling city streets or exploring off-road trails, these bikes bring speed, comfort, and eco-friendly travel to your doorstep. Product links are in the description for more details. Now, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Puckipuppy Labrador Electric Bike. Get ready to elevate your adventures with the ultimate all-terrain electric bike, designed to take you places you've only dreamed of. Start the new year off right with an exclusive gift package included with every purchase, perfect for adding a touch of excitement to your rides. If you're planning to share the fun, buying two earns you a free bike rack, making group outings even better. With a luxury accessory pack worth $400, you'll enjoy extras like a rear rack, fenders, bike mirrors, a cell phone holder, a bike lock, a water cup holder, a bike cover, and more. It's everything you need for a premium experience. Built for performance and adventure, this bike boasts a powerful 750-watt brushless motor that peaks at 960 watt, delivering speeds up to 28 mph and conquering climbs up to 40 degrees. Whether you're blazing trails or cruising through the city, the 48-volt 20-ampere removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 80 miles, depending on your mode and conditions. Plus, it charges in just 6 to 8 hours, ensuring you're always ready for the next journey. Comfort and safety are front and center, thanks to a full suspension system with adjustable hydraulic forks and a transverse rear suspension that smooth out every bump. Dual 180mm hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even on rainy days or steep descents. With 26-inch into 4-inch fat tires and a lightweight, durable aluminum frame, you'll experience unmatched stability and control. Number 2. Isinwheel U1 Electric Bike. Imagine effortlessly gliding through traffic, conquering uphill rides, and folding your ride away in seconds, all with a compact yet powerful electric bike that's built to transform your daily commutes and adventures. Its sleek design doesn't just turn heads, it's packed with smart features to make every journey smooth, efficient, and fun. Whether you're navigating busy streets or saving precious apartment space, this foldable e-bike is the perfect blend of performance and convenience. Powered by a robust 500-watt motor with intelligent algorithms, this bike adapts to your riding needs, making uphill rides up to 15-degree a breeze. With a top speed of 20 mph, you'll reach your destination faster while enjoying the ride. Its energy-efficient 36-volt 7.8 Ah replaceable battery charges in just 3 to 4 hours and delivers up to 25 miles on pedal assist mode, ensuring you're always ready to hit the road. Designed with portability in mind, the foldable handlebars, pedals, and adjustable seat allow for easy storage in tight spaces, whether it's a car trunk, elevator, or your home. Despite its small size, this bike packs a punch in safety with dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. Front and rear lights enhance visibility for nighttime rides, while UL 2849 and CFR 1512 certifications guarantee quality and safety. Number 3. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. Get ready to experience the perfect blend of style, power, and convenience with this sleek and efficient electric bike. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising through the city, or exploring scenic trails, this bike is designed to make every ride an adventure. Powered by a robust 350-watt motor, it effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 20 mph, giving you the thrill of speed with the confidence of control. The upgraded LCD display keeps you informed with essential data like speed, distance, and battery life, and even lets you customize PAS modes to match your riding style. Say goodbye to range anxiety with the removable 360-watt-hour battery, offering an impressive travel distance of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge. Whether you're at home, the office, or a cafe, simply remove the battery and charge it with ease. With 4 versatile riding modes, PAS, pure electric, pedal, and booster, you can adapt to any situation, from steep hills to leisurely cruises, with minimal effort. Comfort and safety are non-negotiable, and this bike delivers both in spades. Its high-strength front fork suspension and 26-inch puncture-resistant tires ensure a smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. Dual mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, while the integrated front and rear lights keep you visible and safe during nighttime rides. Not only is this electric bike functional, but it also boasts a minimalist, modern design that turns heads wherever you go. Its lightweight, high-carbon steel triangular frame ensures durability without compromising on portability, weighing in at just 49.6 pounds. Number 4. Funhang electric bike. Adventure awaits with a bike that's built to tackle any terrain and redefine your riding experience. With a powerful 500-watt motor that peaks at an impressive 1000 watt, this bike delivers unmatched performance, effortlessly reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Its robust 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires are designed for superior traction and stability, whether you're cruising over sandy beaches, snowy paths, or rocky mountain trails. No matter where your journey takes you, you'll feel confident and in control. Powered by a 48-volt 13-ampere-hour removable lithium-ion battery, this bike offers an impressive range of 30-35 miles in pure electric mode and up to 60 miles in pedal assist mode. Waterproof and protected by an advanced battery management system, it ensures reliability in all weather conditions. Charging is a breeze, whether you're at home or on the go. For added convenience, the sturdy rear cargo rack is perfect for carrying groceries, deliveries, or gear, supporting up to 60 pounds of cargo. Enhanced safety features include powerful headlights, taillights, and turn signals to keep you visible during nighttime rides. The lockable front suspension fork and soft saddle absorb shocks and bumps, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey even on rough roads. With professional 7-speed gears and 5 versatile riding modes, pure electric, assisted bicycle, normal bike, cruise, and booster mode, you have total control over your ride. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed with real-time updates on speed, battery life, and mileage, while dual 180mm disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Number 5. Cycrown Cycverve electric bike. Get ready to elevate your riding experience with a bike that perfectly blends power, innovation, and style. With an impressive 1000-watt peak motor, this bike delivers exceptional performance, effortlessly reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Its powerful 80 Nm torque ensures you can conquer steep inclines and rough terrains with ease, making every uphill climb feel like a breeze. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring rugged trails, this bike is designed to handle it all. The upgraded 48-volt 15.6 Ah lithium-ion battery is seamlessly integrated into the frame, offering IPX6 waterproof protection and an impressive range of over 75 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick and easy, taking just 5 hours to power up, and the battery can be conveniently removed with one hand for added flexibility. For an intelligent and adaptable riding experience, this bike features 5 versatile modes: PAS, Pure Electric, Cruise Control, Walk Assist, and Pedal Mode.